Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the grand opening of Dream Galaxy. Today, we embark on a journey into a world of excitement, joy, and an endless entertainment. Our arcade is not just a place, it's a haven where laughter echoes, challenges await, and memories are born. From classic favorites that transport us to simpler times to modern delights that spark the imagination, our arcade has been carefully curated to cater to every age and taste. It's a reflection of the diverse interests that make our community unique, a space where everyone can find a game that resonates with them. But this arcade is more than just a haven for gamers. It's a community hub, a place to connect, compete, and create lasting memories, where the fun never ends. Let the games begin.